Welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss some more MCQ questions. And the first one is this one. In the main, I am initializing a variable with a is equal to 2 and switch off a. So automatically what is a? A is replaced with 2. Now 2 is compared with the corresponding labels. So the first label is case 0. So 2 and 0 both are not equal. So ignore case 0. Move to the next case. Here the next case is case 1 plus 1. So what happens after performing addition between 1 plus 1? The result is 2. So this is 2 and this is also 2. So automatically the statement printf hello is executed. And the next statement, we are writing break. So everyone know whenever we are writing break statement, simply we comes out of the switch block. Exactly the same question with a different type. So I am declaring again a is initialize a is equal to 2. For example, switch off 3. So that is not a problem. Case 0 here, case a plus 1. What happens? A is replaced with 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. You assume like that. So please don't assume like that. That is an error. Why? Suppose if you are executing this one, you have to replace the variable a with their value. It is not possible in the labels. Replacement, that is simply, what is error we have? Case labels. Remember this one? Case labels only. Does not reduce to integer constant. Does not reduce to integer constant. In the previous case, we have both are numbers. So simply perform addition between the numbers. But in this case, a variable is to be replaced with a value. This is not possible. So for this program, the answer is error. Even not default also. This is invalid. If this is invalid means the program result is error. You got it? So remember only this one. Now, exactly in some modification, initially, that is globally, I am initializing two variables, A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2 as constant. You know that one, const keyword is used to make the variables as constants. Now, in the main, initialize a variable x is equal to 1, switch off x. What is x value? X value is equal to 1. Now, case A. Actually, the same logic. So A is to be replaced with 1, B is to be replaced with 2. That is general our assumption. But is it possible? No. Why? The same. That is the case labels does not reduce to an integer constant. That is in the labels, whenever a variable comes, the variable is not replaced with their value. So again, this program, the output is an error. This program, the output is an error. Okay. Now, see this one. See this one. In this hash define max a the a. So almost this one and this one both are same. Both are used to define the constants. But the hash define is simply a macro. What is the macro? Whenever, for example, a simple example, I think everyone know hash define pi 3.14. What is the meaning of macro means? We are defining a variable pi. Throughout the program, whenever pi occurs, pi is replaced with the value 3.4. So that is a definition. That is, we have to replace. So coming to this one, max of a. What is the meaning of this one? Whenever max of a, wherever max of a occurs in the program, that is replaced with a. This is a complete valid statement. So same example here, case max of 2. So max of 2 is replaced with what is one? Case 2. Max of 1 is replaced with case 1. Is it possible? Yes, 100% it is possible. Why? Because this is the definition of macro. But coming to constant, that is not the definition. So if normal variables or a normal constants are not possible to reduce in the labels only, but in a macro, it is possible. So if it is a possible means x is equal to 1, that means the case 1. What is the output? The output hello is printed. And after each statement, we are writing break. Whenever break statement is executed, completely comes out of the block. Suppose if you are not writing break statement, what happens? It executes all the cases until the break statement execution or until the completion of switch case. Okay, we will discuss that examples also. Now, what is the output of the following code? Okay, int main a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Switch off a by 2. What is a by 2? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means case 0. So 1 by 2 means, 1 second. 1 by 2 means 0. So first case, what is the first case? Case 0. So what is the output? Case null. So break. But observe this second case also, it is case 0. The second one is also case 0. Which one is executed? Which one is executed? Case null, case 0, both are executed, or only the first one is executed, or only the second one is executed, or one more problem is if we have a duplicate, in that case, either default is executed. Remember, if you are writing a switch case, the labels must be in queue. The labels must be in queue. That is case 0, case 0. Two labels are matched. Simply, it gives an error. Duplicate case values. You got it? Duplicate case values. It is the error. Okay. So, next one. Assume float x is equal to 1.1. What is the result of the following switch statement? Okay. Switch x. Case 1.1. So matching occurred? Yes. The match is occurred. Choice is one, break. So generally we are doing like that. But before doing a question, first of all, you have to know whether the question is the correct or not. Simply 1.1 and 1.1 matches, output is choice of one. Please don't do that one. Simple thing is the labels does not contain floating point numbers. That is, the labels must be an integer or character. Must be an integer or character. It does not contain any floating point number. So it gives an error. So don't try to solve the problem. It gives an error. Simply it violates the rules of the properties. Right? Next. The same example. A is equal to 10. Switch off 10. Case 5 plus 5. Is it executed? Yes. So both are values. If both are values in the label, it is perfectly executed. Case 10, what is the output? Hello. But after case, that is after the statement, I am not writing any break. What happens if you are not writing any break means the entire switch block is executed, or until, that is whenever until break comes, the statements are executed. For example, after printf, I am not writing break. Without checking this condition, simply OK is also printed. Here I am using backslash and OK. For example, like this, case 1, case 2, case 3, like this. Suppose the case 1, we are printing hi, printing hello, printing good. For example, if your switch case is matches with case 1, if your switch case is matches with case 1, what are the output? The output is hi, hello, and good only. It compares the first match, and there is no break statement, means all the switches are executed. For example, switch off 2 means it starts execution from case 2 until a break occur. Starts execution from break 2 until break occurs. So hello and good, it is the output. You got it? For this hello, okay. But remember, this is not on the same line. Hello. In the next line, we have okay. Why? Because we are using backslash n, right? We are using backslash n. Now, this is the one more program. Int I is equal to 0 while I less than or equal to 10 plus say. This type of programs already discussed in the first 2 sessions. What happens? 0 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the condition is true. Plus say. What is I value? 1. So among these, which one is considered? Generally, step by step, everyone is considered. But finally, before parentheses, whatever the value is present, that is stored. So That means what happens? Simply while of 1. What is the while of 1? 1 means true. So 4 is printed on the screen. So after completion of loop, again we are moving into the loop here. Next time, what is I value? 1. 1 less than or equal to 10 plus I. That means 2. So simply while of 2, the value 4. Next while of 3, the value 4. Observe how many number of times it is repeated. So always the plus I is a non-zero number. It, even though it checks the condition, for example, whenever I is equal to 11, no problem. Observe 11 less than or equal to 10. Condition false. That means 0, comma 12. So which one is considered? We are considering the second value. We are already checking. If 0, comma 1 means simply if of 1. If 1, comma 0 means if of 0. So whatever the expression contains the first parameters, we are considering only the last one. So output is simply an infinite loop. The loop is repeated multiple number of times. Exactly. Instead of pre-increment, here you are using post-increment. Check the condition. 0 less than or equal to 10. Okay, comma. I plus plus. What is I value? 0 plus plus. This is the post-increment. First, what happens? Everyone know, in pre-increment, it first perform increment and then perform other operations. But in post increment, it perform operation. That means this is while of 0. So while of 0 means the condition is failed. So of this statement is not executed, and then I value is incremented by 1. So but here we are printing the value 4. So what is the output? Nothing is printed. Why? In the first iteration itself, the I value is equal to 0. I value is equal to 0 means condition fail. Condition fail means we are not entering into the while loop. Okay. So one more example, and this is the last example for this session. Int I is equal to 20. Do printf percentage d plus plus. Say what happens? Simply 21 is printed. Now while of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So general our assumption is general thing. Generally, so first time 5, next time 4, next time 3, next time 2, next time 1. That is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If you are assuming like that. But remember, within the parentheses, if you have more than one value, analysis step by step, first value to last value, whatever the last value we have, that is stored. That means while contains only 0. 5 is override with 4, 3, 2, 1. Finally, while of 0. While of 0 means the condition fail, we comes out of the loop. So the answer is 21 only. Because we have 5 values, generally we assume that these are the 5 values. So don't assume like that. If you have a parenthesis, suppose x is equal to 5 plus x, comma plus x, y. What is the value? Here also simply not 6. First this is executed, that is 6, and then this is executed 7, and the last value is assigned like that. Okay. So in the next session, we will move to some more MCQs. Thank you.